Calcarea phosphorica, Allen's keynotes, phosphate of lime, calcium phosphate. For persons anemic and dark complexioned, dark hair and eyes, thin spare subjects instead of fat. During first and second dentition of scrofulous children, diarrhea and great flatulence. Children emaciated, unable to stand, slow in learning to walk. Sunken flabby abdomen. Oozing of bloody fluid from navel of infants. Rachitis, cranial bones thin and brittle. Fontanelles and sutures remain open too long or close and reopen. Delayed or complicated teething. Spine weak, disposed to curvatures, especially to the left, unable to support body. Neck weak, unable to support head. Girls at puberty, tall, growing rapidly, tendency of bones to soften or spine to curve. At puberty, acne in anemic girls with vertex, headache and flatulent dyspepsia by eating. Ailments from grief, disappointed love. Feels complaints more when thinking about them. Involuntary sighing, non-union of bones promotes callus. Rheumatism of cold weather, getting well in spring and returning in autumn. Headache of schoolgirls, diarrhea. At every attempt to eat, colic pains in abdomen, fistula in ano, alternating with chest symptoms. Lack of animal heat, cold sweat and general coldness of body. Relations, complementary, ruta, similar to Carboanimalis, Calcarea fluor, Calcarea fluoric acid, Califos, to Sorinum in debility remaining after acute diseases, to Cilicia, but sweat of head is wanting. Acts best before iodum, Sorinum, Sanincula, sulfur. Acts best after arsenic, iodum, tuberculinum. Aggravation, exposure to damp, cold, changeable weather, east winds, melting snow, mental exertion. Amelioration in summer, warm, dry atmosphere. Calcarea phosphorica, boric materia medica, phosphate of lime. One of the most important tissue remedies, and while it has many symptoms in common with Calcarea carp, there are some differences and characteristic features of its own. It is specially indicated in tardy dentition and troubles incident to that period, bone disease, non-union of fractured bones, and the anemias after acute diseases and chronic wasting diseases. Anemic children who are peevish, flabby, have cold extremities and feeble digestion. It has a special affinity where bones form sutures or symphysis, and all its symptoms are worse from any change of weather. Numbness and crawling are characteristic sensations, and tendency to perspiration and glandular enlargement are symptoms it shares with the carbonate. Scrofulosis, chlorosis and phthisis. Mind, peevish, forgetful after grief and vexation, always wants to go somewhere. Head, headache, worse near the region of sutures from change of weather, of school children about puberty. Fontanelles remain open too long, cranial bones soft and thin, defective hearing, headache with abdominal flatulence, head hot with smarting of roots of hair. Eyes, diffused opacity in cornea following abscess. Mouth, swollen tonsils, cannot open mouth without pain. Complaints during teething. Teeth develop slowly. Rapid decay of teeth. Adenoid growths. Stomach, infant wants to nurse all the time and vomits easily. Craving for bacon, ham, salted or smoked meats. Much flatulence, great hunger with thirst, flatulence temporarily relieved by sour eructations, heartburn, easy vomiting in children. abdomen. At every attempt to eat, colicky pain in abdomen, sunken and flabby, colic, soreness and burning around navel. Stool, bleeding after hard stool, diarrhea from juicy fruits or cider during dentition, green, slimy, hot, sputtering, undigested with fetid flatus, fistula in ano, alternating with chest symptoms, urine, increased with sensation of weakness, pain in region of kidneys when lifting or blowing the nose. Female, menses too early, excessive and bright in girls. If late, blood is dark, sometimes first bright, then dark, with violent backache. During lactation with sexual excitement. Nymphomania with aching, pressing or weakness in uterine region. After prolonged nursing. Leukorrhea like white of egg. Worse morning, child refuses breast, milk tastes salty, prolapses in debilitated persons. Respiratory, involuntary sighing, chest sore, suffocative cough, better lying down, hoarseness, pain through lower left lung. Neck and back, rheumatic pain from draught of air with stiffness and dullness of head, soreness in sacroiliac symphysis as if broken. Extremities, stiffness and pain with cold numb feeling, worse any change of weather, crawling and coldness, buttocks, back and limbs asleep, pains in joints and bones, weary when going upstairs. Relationship, complementary, ruta, hepar. Modalities, worse exposure to damp, cold weather, melting snow, better in summer, warm, dry atmosphere. Dose, first to third trituration. Higher potency is often more effective.